Hi there, a quick market update with regard to real estate in the Pueblo area. So there is limited inventory, which means we are in a seller's market when there's more buyers than there are sellers. However, we still have been selling homes here in the Pueblo area. This last year, we sold 287 houses, which is up 17 houses from the year before. We also have seen a significant increase in the average purchase price of homes. So we have seen it go from 264,000 to almost 305,000. So the average price has increased by a bit, kind of significantly. So what does that mean for you? As a seller, you're like, woohoo, that's great for me. I'm getting all the value out of my home. As a buyer, it's a struggle finding the type of home you want in your price range. So, we are in a seller's market. We have still been selling houses. Average sale price has gone up, and that's about 15.8% if you're into percentages. So, it's 15.8% in the value of houses that is going up. Now our inventory is low, which means that the time on market is lower. In fact, it almost decreased 3%, 2.9, so almost 3% decrease in the time that a house is on the market. So what does that mean for you? That means that if you are a purchaser in this seller's market, you need to have all your ducks in a row so you can be competitive. That means you have your pre-approval with your bank. That means you have your down payment money. And if you're having to ask concessions from the seller, it's most likely meaning that you're competing against other people that are not asking for concessions, so your offer doesn't look as good. Now remember, concessions is that money that you're asking the seller to pay to help cover your closing costs. So concessions directly affect what the seller puts in their pocket. So if they're looking at a couple of offers, which they are in this market, we usually get multiple offers on each home. That means the sellers can be a little picky and choosy. So they are looking what goes into their pocket, the bottom line. And if you're asking for additional funds, please be prepared to build that into the price. Okay. Of course, your agent can help you with that. If you have any questions, I'll be happy to explain how that works. So give me a call. But in this market, know that it's competitive, but it is not out of reach because interest rates are still very low. I know they've been creeping up a little bit lately, but historically they are extremely low. Look for my next video on how I explain interest rates and how they affect your payment. I look forward to seeing you on the next video.